Summer with the Worcester County Health Department, and we're taking a tour of the Corner Sanctuary today in Pocomoke City, and I'm joined by
Neelam Strom. I'm the director of the garden.
So this garden started in 2012. You had a vision and a passion, and you really wanted to bring the community back outside to learn how to grow a garden. How did you pay for this? How was it funded?
It's totally by donations and by people writing out grants. And the city of Pocomoke was kind enough to give us the land and the water absolutely free. We started with 25 by 25, got a vision to do a sensory garden. So it's a healing garden. And so that's why we have different stations that appeal to the senses. And every year people are kind enough to donate, and businesses are kind enough to donate. The first thing is you grow your own fresh vegetables, and there's nothing like fresh vegetables. And secondly, you get out in nature, so it's the exercise aspect. You can get out in fresh air. And then we have different activities in the garden. We've got our chessboard, and we've got a gazebo that you can sit and have a picnic at. We also have our herb garden, which rejuvenates your senses, so it helps you mentally too. To be out in the herb garden with the herbs all around you, it has a calming effect on you.
And we want to talk a little bit about the students who volunteer here. Students come from all over Worcester County, especially here in Pocomoke.
Yes, a lot of students come from the 8th grade, and then they come in the 9th grade to do the community learning hours, service learning hours. And some of them like it so much, like one of our volunteers, Madam, she comes back almost every week and helps with that. So that is nice, because then they learn the secrets of gardening, and they learn the benefits of gardening.
So now we're standing at the Ripple Effect Rock Garden. Can you tell us a little bit about this?
Sure. This garden was an idea of Mrs. McCabe, who was a 5th grade teacher. She decided to do a rock garden where people paint rocks with inspiration on it. And so people take a rock, put a rock back, and it's supposed to inspire and help people. Have a good day.
Thank you for joining us at the Corner Sanctuary of the Pocomoke Community Garden.
Thank you for coming, and if you'd like more information about the garden, please visit us on our Facebook page at Corner Sanctuary Pocomoke Community Garden, or you can email us at cornersanctuary@gmail.com. Our garden gets weeds growing faster than the plants, so yes, if you can please contact us and come out with your families, enjoy the beautiful day, make a picnic out of it.